want to talk about my demonstration number 1. This is for emerging technologies, and we're going to have an animation video. The program we're using is Animaker. There's free trials available to sign up, which is what I did. So we're going to go to login. You have all your choice video styles here. You can customize them if you want, but we'll use a horizontal video. And it'll start off as blank. First thing we'll do is title our video. I'm just going to call it My Project. And my idea for this animation is that a Steve Jobs-like character will walk into the screen, wave, cross his arms, and say hello, all while music is playing. So first step. Let's put him in office setting. Go to background. That looks nice. And we'll put in our character. These are the presets, but we want a custom character. We're going to make a guy that looks like this. Create your own. Start off with the male figure. Choose this guy. Alright, we got work to do. So, let's give him some new shoes. Some new pants. We'll get that famous Steve Jobs turtleneck. Adjust the skin tone. Get the expression right. And hairstyle. There we go. Our Steve Jobs-like character is ready to go. Now we save the character. And we'll head back to the dashboard. Okay, so let's pick up where we left off. We'll go back to the dashboard, choose My Project. Alright everyone, let's pick up where we left off. We're going to go to My Project. We have our office scene. We're going to insert the custom character by going to here. And you can see he's right in the middle. Shot the control panel so it's a little easier to see. And remember, there's 3 actions. First one is walking. Okay, but instead of having to moonwalk forever, let's put him to the side here so you can walk into the frame. We will add our second action with Action Plus and drag it where we want him to be. Okay, so he's going to walk from there to there, but when he gets there we want him to wave. Alright, so now he's waving and saying hi, but we want 3 actions, so let's go to the third one. We'll confirm it, then click plus to add a new action. When he gets here, he will fold his arms. Like that. Now if you look at the timeline, there's 3 actions. First is walking, then waving, and folding arms. So now we can position them for the amount of time we want each to play. So we'll move this out of the way. We're going to have him start walking at the beginning, waving his arms at about the 3rd second, and we'll make him cross his arms at about the 6th. Alright, so 3 seconds walk, 3 seconds wave, and infinite cross arms till the scene ends. Confirm that, and apply it. Alright, now let's add the voiceover. You can see the character is still selected, control panel is available, so we'll go to the voiceover, And you have different options. You can record your own, text-to-speech, or upload your own if you have a professional microphone. I'll just record my own. Here we go. Hi, I'm Steve Jobs. Welcome to Apple. Alright, cool. We'll apply that. And it syncs it to the lip movements, which is great. So here is our timeline. You can see it starts at 0 seconds here. The audio recording starts at 0 seconds too, but I want that to start later. The reason is because I want it to be like he walks into the scene, waves, then talks as he's crossing his arms. Sounds cool. Alright, so now let's add some music to this. Open the control panel. We go to the music option. There is hundreds of music. We're going to go with Good Day. And we'll shut this control panel. So now we got 3 tracks, which is animation, voiceover, and audio here. We make sure that's lined up to the beginning. But we're going to lower the volume so it's not overpowering the voiceover. And our scene is ready to go. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Steve Jobs. Welcome to Apple. I think that's great. So now if you want to export that, you can export that pretty easily. You can go to Publish on the right hand corner. When you choose to publish, you get this menu right here, which lets you download in up to 4K or export it straight to social media, any kind you'd prefer. The 4K requires a premium, and with the premium you get rid of the watermark as well. And there you go. That's how you make an action. That's just one scene. You could go to right here to light, and you can add multiple scenes and make the story as complex as you want, or use templates if you prefer that. Alright, thank you everyone.